Alright YouTube, take 12,743. Today I'm going to do a quick video on connecting your phone to the cameras on your QUADAIR quadcopter drone. Alright, so let's get started. First thing, we turn the drone on. As you can see, the blue lights are blinking. Alright, so then you're going to, if you haven't already, download the app that comes with the drone. Then we're going to open our phone. We're going to turn off our mobile data. Okay. And turn that off. Then we're going to go into settings. And click on connections. Click on Wi-Fi again. And there we go. Wi-Fi underscore 4K underscore etc. etc. Click on that. It says connecting. Now I'm connected to the drone. So we're going to back out of here. We're going to open up the app. And you'll see that the drone is connected to the phone, to the photo app. Now, within the app, I'm going to leave this like this so it's pointed up at something. You can use you can record video. I'm recording video. You can stop. I'm going to take a couple pictures. Then you go here and you can check the media, and it'll show the media here. But the good thing about this drone and this app is it downloads this right to your photos. So I go to my library, camera, and here's a quick video. Of the drone recording. And then here's a picture that I took, and I have other footage. And it's not bad. It's not bad resolution at all. And I like the fact that there's no SD card like the E58. So, okay. If you found this helpful and informative, smash that like button. Share this video. And if you find it in your heart, subscribe as I build this channel. Alright, have a great day, YouTube.